Are you ready to crush your debt and start your journey to financial freedom? Welcome to Debt Destroyer, where we give you the tools and tips to demolish that debt once and for all. Step 1. Budget like a boss. Imagine your budget as a hammer, smashing down those debt bills one by one. It's not about what you make, it's about what you keep. Take Sarah, for example. She tackled $30,000 in student loans using the snowball method. She started with the smallest debt and knocked them out one by one. You can do it too. Stay motivated. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Every dollar you pay off brings you one step closer to freedom. If you're loving these tips, smash that like button and subscribe for more debt-destroying strategies. And watch out for those debt traps. Avoid high-interest loans and credit card debt like the plague. They'll keep you stuck in the cycle. Remember, destroying debt isn't just about the numbers. It's about building the life you want. Stick with it, and you'll reach the summit of financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next episode of Debt Destroyer.